In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel files into Odoo. Importing data is a crucial task, especially when you're setting up a new system or updating an existing one, and knowing how to do it smoothly can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the module where you want to import your data. This could be anything depending on what you're working on. Perhaps it's contacts, products, sales, or any other module that you're currently focusing on. Once you're in the desired module, switch over to the list view. The list view gives you a clear, tabulated look at all your current entries, which is helpful for reference as you prepare to add new data. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a button marked Upload. This is your gateway for bringing new data into Odoo. Click on it, and a dialog box will emerge, prompting you to upload your file. You can choose to upload either a .csv or .xlsx file, depending on what format your data is currently in. Make sure your file is well prepared and structured for import. This means columns should be properly labeled, and data should be consistent to minimize errors during the import process. Once you've uploaded your file, Odoo will start doing some of the heavy lifting for you. It will try to automatically map the columns from your file to the relevant fields in the Odoo model you're working with. This mapping is vital, since it ensures that the data in your file is correctly aligned with the existing system structure. However, it's a good idea to double-check this mapping and adjust if necessary. Sometimes automation might not capture all nuances, especially if column headers in your file don't match Odoo's field names exactly. After the initial mapping, you should click on the Test Import button. This is like doing a practice run. It allows you to validate your data without making any permanent changes. By testing your import first, you can catch and fix any formatting errors early on, ensuring that once you proceed, everything goes smoothly. If the test import shows no errors, or once you've rectified any issues, it's time for the final step. Carefully review the data preview that Odoo provides. This is your last chance to make sure everything looks perfect. Double-check that each column aligns correctly and that all your data is accurate. Once satisfied, go ahead and click Import. With this final click, your data will be brought into Odoo, ready to be used as part of your module. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Excel data into Odoo. Regularly importing data can keep your records up to date, so I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. Don't forget to repeat these steps whenever you need to refresh your Odoo database, and with practice, it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.